Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today, I would like to share some topics related to worksheet management. First, let's discuss how to rename a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, we can simply right-click and look for Rename. Type the name that we want, press Enter after finish, or we can double-click to change the name as we can see here. Besides, we could also make use of the Excel command to rename the sheet. What we have to do here is go to Home tab, look for Cells, Format, and we change the name accordingly, as we can see here. Or we can make use of the shortcut key. What we have to do here is press Alternate H O R, and we can change the name, as we can see here. Next, let's discuss about selecting a worksheet. We know that to select a worksheet, we can make use of mouse, point to the tab that we want, and select. However, let's say we want to select a worksheet without using a mouse. We can press and hold the Ctrl key on the keyboard, followed by page up to select the previous page, page down to select the next page. However, let's say we want to select multiple worksheets at once. Press and hold the Ctrl key on the keyboard and we just have to select accordingly. To unselect them, we just have to move to any tab that was not previously selected. If we want to select all sheets at once, right-click any tab and look for Select All Sheets. And we just have to click on any tab other than the current sheet to unselect them. Next, let's discuss rearranging worksheets. To rearrange worksheet, we can simply drag and move accordingly, as we can see here. Or we can make use of the Excel command. All we have to do here is go to the Home tab, look for Cells, Format, select Move or Copy Sheet. Move selected sheets, which means that the current sheet or the selected sheets. We can select more than one sheet at once and move before the sheet that we want. For example, if we want to move this rearrange to in front of multiple, so which means that we should choose before sheet multiple. Click on OK, then the sheet will move accordingly. If let's say we want to move multiple worksheets at once, for example, these two tabs, and we want to move in front of rename. So we can do exactly the same thing. Look for Format, Move or Copy, and we select Rename. Click on OK, and the sheet will move accordingly, as we can see here. Next, add or insert a new worksheet. When we click on the Add button, a new sheet will be added right after the current sheet, as we can see here. If we make use of the Insert command, go to Home, Cell, Insert, Insert Sheet. A new sheet will be added right before the current sheet. This can also be done by using shortcut key. We just have to hold the Shift button on the keyboard followed by F11 button, as we can see here. Next, copy a worksheet. To copy a worksheet, we can press and hold the Ctrl key on the keyboard, click on the sheet that we want to copy and drag. And we should obtain the duplicate. Or we can right click, look for Move or Copy. And what we want here is create a copy before this, for example. Press on OK and we should obtain a new copy. Or we can make use of the Excel command. Go to the Home tab, look for Cells, Format, Move or Copy. Repeat the same step. We can create a copy and move to the desired position. Click on OK and we should obtain the duplicate. To delete a worksheet, right-click the worksheet that we want to delete and look for Delete. Click on Delete and the sheet will be deleted. Or we can click on the sheet that we want to delete, go to Home tab, look for Cells, Delete, and we delete the sheet accordingly, as we can see here. To hide a worksheet, click on the sheet that we want to hide, right-click, and look for Hide. If you want to unhide any worksheet, click on any tab, look for Unhide, and we select the sheet to be unhide. Click on OK and we will get back the worksheet. However, let's say we want to make use of the Excel command. Go to Home, look for Cells, Format, click on Hide Unhide, and what we want here is Hide Sheet. Click again Format, Hide Unhide. Now we want to unhide sheets. Click on the sheet that we want to unhide, as we can see here. Last but not least, how to add color to worksheet tab. We can right click, look for the tab color, and we choose accordingly. For example, red, as we can see here, red in color. Or we can make use of the Excel command. Go to Home, Cells, Format, and we look for the tab color. Choose accordingly. For example, we can choose green if you want, as we can see here. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.